Today we're going to show you how to install the neck bander. Okay, so first step, you go through here, and through there, then you move it up, then you go through the little rollers there, and then back down. Then you come back up through that little plastic base. And you stretch it out a little bit and go through the center wheel. We're going to continue with the rest of the process. You have to center the neck band in the center of this wheel right here. Okay, so now we're placing this piece in that certain position. That opens up the neck band. And then we're just gonna position it in the right place. Alright, so you stretch it out a little bit. If you want to change parts because your bottle is bigger and you have a bigger neck band, you need to use a different piece. If you take a look here, you have 4 screws in the back of this plate, and then you're able to adjust side to side, and then you insert the piece just like we did on the first one.